Smart lock installation tutorial. Front panel, back plane, lock cylinder screws, keys, cables, square rods, long screws, studs, cards. Remove the screw protective cap. Align the round end with the stud and tight the screw. Mounting studs. Tighten with pliers. Remove battery case and take out the battery. Unscrew the rear panel fixing screws. Take out the base plate. Install lock body. Tighten the screws. Install lock cylinder. Tighten the SC. If the tail ruler is too long when installing the lock cylinder, we need to cut it. Measure the tail ruler from the door edge and reserve a length of 1.5 to 1.8 cm. Install the front panel, pass the cable through the door, align it with the lock cylinder and install it. Measure the long screws not to exceed the edge of the outdoor door. Cut off the excess part. Align hole position adjustment rubber pad. Screw on the long screws but not tighten them yet. Align the front panel. The lock cylinder should be in the middle of the lock cylinder hole. Align the hole position adjustment gasket. Adjust rubber pad. And tighten the screws. Turn the short section of the square rod toward the inside and insert the square rod. Measure the square pole, reserve side 2 cm in length, and cut off the excess. Measure the tail ruler, leaving a length no longer than the edge of the door, and cut off the excess. Connect the two wires from the front and rear panels. Tuck excess wire into the door. Align the square pillar lock core ruler and safety ruler and install it. Tighten the rear panel fixing screw. Put on battery. Long press 2 seconds restore factory setting. Put on battery case. Installation complete. Face recognition unlock. Fingerprint unlock. RFID card unlock. Password unlock. Key unlock. Button lock and unlock. Manual handle unlock. Lock cylinder spin button. Deadbolt spin button. If motor direction is not correct, we need change direction. Press. Admin password. Press 3 to 1, change the unlock direction according the situation. Press return, complete change motor direction.